Another okay, good afternoon. Here's another automation and placement of um, outlet receptacles in the wall. So this is a face-based family. I did not edit the family, so all the family is face-based. So okay, so I tried already in the normal x y z coordinate. Okay, for the origin. So this one is the rotated one, copy. This is the copy rotate, and this one is the mirror. So let's try check if my script will work, placing all those walls with different orientations. Okay, so there are many what you call this process or script for this one. So it depends on the user, but for me, I use the bed to select the bed and then the wall, and then I intersect them, the curve. Then from there, I was able to extract the points. I can offset this one to left or right, whatever I want. I'll show you the script later, but for now, let's try this and run Dynamo by selecting um, multiple beds and one this wall and then the surface of this wall. So okay, so because it's difficult to select multiple surface at the link level. This one, maybe I will check another process for this one. But for now, just let's just start the dynamo and placing the receptacles here or outlet near the um, bed. Okay, with offset and distance. So I open dynamo now. Make it bigger. So I have already here. So I have this one can select two beds. Okay, so the first input will be the main link. So let's say I will select this one. This is the mirror one. Okay, then I have to select. Okay, later select the face and remove the baking soda. Okay, so let's try this one. So the first is we try to run first, and then we just escape. Don't worry about that one because there are multiple booleans here, true or false. So just ignore that one for the first run. Okay, now let's select the bed. So we're going to select two beds here. Select this one, and this one. Press escape. Again, we select the wall, then run again. So we select this wall, escape. So as you can see, it's already now have the points, and the remaining will be the face. Select this one, and then run again. Select the link and then the face. So there's a time that it's a little off. Just select this one, and in here you just place this one. Pick new host. Okay, click there and then run again, and then it will place there. Okay. So after that, once you place already all the receptacles, so you can change also the family. So I will try a face-based family here. Let's say, where is it? This one. So let's say, I hope I can select the correct one. Controller interface. I don't know if this is... Okay, let's try this one. Interface controller. So I think that is not a face-based family. I'll try again. DC battery. I don't know which one is phase-based family. This is generator meter. Let's try this one. I think that's one is not. Okay, let's stick to the phase-based family that I created. I mean the default one. So back here. So this is okay. We can switch this one way and two way. Run. So if we select the family, so this is a phase-based family. This is a 2, and then this is one way. Okay. So anyway, you can select the outlet receptacles for that phase-based family. So after that, you have to bake this one because you're going to select the other wall. So when you run this one, now it's already baked, and then select here. So again, you have to select new phase. Rotate this one if you want to use again the opposite side of the bed. So it's not yet placed correctly because you did not select the correct wall. So you have to run again. Select this one. Escape. And then you select again the bed. Run here. Click the bed. Escape. So you have now here the correct. But sometimes it's a little off for the phase-based family. So you have to select this one and pick new, and then run again. So it will be placed here. So that's the difference. When I select this one, it has an elevation. This one has no elevation. But if you want to have an elevation, you have to select them together, and then pick new host here, face, and then select also this two, pick new. So any location, and then run again dynamo, and then you bake this one. So after that, at least this one you can have the elevation. But if you need that one, then it's okay. But if not, then it's the same, no? Because I get the point here. It will place directly in the point. Okay. So I already done in the. This is normal origin to origin coordinate x, y, and z 0, 0. And this one is the mirror one and rotated one. So we can actually work on the phase-based family in the wall. So I'll show this script. Okay, so okay, so in here, try to check. So okay, this is the main one. You select the main link. Then after that, you get the wall geometry. This is this one. Okay. You're selecting all the walls, and you're going to transform also the coordinate system. So select this is the link wall. So this is the first selection, the main link wall. The second one, we're getting this one. I'm selecting this one because we're getting the transform. The next one is the wall individual. You select the link and then you select the individual wall architectural link. And then the other one is the bed. So, okay. So after that, you select this one. This is the wall line after transform in the different orientation. Okay, you get the line direction. And in here, this is the spacing. If I select this one, see the point, created the line. Okay. Then I place a line family in the bed. Okay, so if I select this one, project browser, I open. So you can see the bed. I place a model line so that it will uh, intersect with the wall curve. So we're getting all the curves here. So reload. Okay, going back here. So again, after that, you offset this point. You can offset also the line of that curve wall. Then for the points here, you can place here the first distance spacing, so line, and the second point, and the third point. So you get the curve endpoint. Then after that, you place a family instance by face. So that's why we are just limited. We cannot select all the room face. For now, my script is just selecting one face at a time. So maybe I can select multiple face for this one. So now I show the script again. Okay. Okay, that one. So you just crop and okay, that's it. So if I select now the other side, if I change my, let's say I want to select this one. Select this. Let's check this one and run. So again, it's escape all and then select the bed. This one escape. Select the wall. This one escape. And then select the face. This one. And there you go. So sometimes it will go here. So what you need to do is just pick a new host, run again. So that's the workaround, and then after that you bake this one and run. So you have now your face-based family placed around the wall. So okay, so I think that's it. So you can do this to other, beside the door, you can also do this one. So the